Okay, I need to say this and I want you to hear me. Most of the mistake you're making in your business, it's not about what you're doing, it's about what you should stop doing. When I first started my business, I thought I have all figured it out. Like how hard it could be, right? Just work hard, follow the advice, and everything will work out. But guess what? That's not how it actually works. I have made a mistake, the big one. And if I can save you to making the same, this video will worth it. So let's talk about the 8 things you should never do in your business no matter at what stage you are in. The first thing, stop doing everything by yourself. I understand that your business is like your baby and no one can do it better than you. But wearing all hat, admin, marketing, social media is the fastest way to burn out. Trust me, I have been there, but here is the thing. When you're too busy doing everything, you're not doing anything well. So just take my advice and hire people. No matter if you are taking it for a small task like a virtual assistant for 3 to 4 hours only, it's not about taking the help, it's about buying back your time. Now the second mistake is about money and I want you to focus on this one because this is big. Most of the business owner when they start out, they just ignore their finances. And I can totally understand that. Number is not everyone thing. But if you're not looking at your revenue, expenses or profit margin, you're just flying blind. And it's not like the blind date. It's actually dangerous. I once avoided looking at my bank account for the 3 months and I still wonder where my hard-earned money goes. So don't do that. Your numbers tell your business story, so learn to read it. Here's another one. The third mistake most of the business owner make, especially the first-time entrepreneur, and that is saying yes to everything. I was the same. I used to say yes to everything. Collaboration, opportunity, any event, I just say yes. Because I think that's what the growth look like. But all I get is overbooked schedule and no energy left for the things that actually matter. So just hear me out. Every time you say yes to something that is not aligning with your goal, you are saying no to something that is really necessary for your business. Think your time in your business as your money and respond accordingly. And this leads me to my next point. This one takes me years to figure out. Stop sharing your next big move with everyone. I know you're excited and it feels so good sharing your big plans, but not everyone deserves to hear. Yeah, I believe in evil eye. Let me know if you do that too. But even from business perspective, talking about your big goals too early invite unnecessary opinion, doubts, and even competition. Keep it quiet until you're ready to show the world, until you truly believe you made this. Fourth mistake, and here's the hard one. Stop trying to please everyone. Not every client or customer is mean for you, and that's okay. It's normal. It's the part of the business. Early on, I used to think saying no will hurt my business, so I used to cater to everyone and even trying to make everyone happy. But I ended up feeling discontinued with myself and so stressful. Every other day, there is a new problem came on in my business because of this same reason. See, I'm not saying you should not keep your client happy or provide the best service. I'm just saying sometimes it's become so hard to match someone's thought. Like my company provides the social media and the marketing service for the business, but sometimes it's become so hard to match with someone's thought as for the social media perspective. Focus on serving the people who are really aligning with you and let the rest of the go. Maybe they can also find their best people. Oh, and this one. Stop neglecting yourself. I know it's easy to put your business at first, skipping meals, working late at night, and even working when you're totally exhausted, but you can't pour from an empty cup. Taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's essential, babe. Just like when we go to gym and it's really important to take the rest, same thing goes with the business. Sometimes you really need to rest. We are not robots, we are human and our body needs rest. Another mistake I see most of the people make, stop trying to be perfect. I used to spend hours tweaking my website, the social media post, everything should be perfect, or even the email subject line. I thought everything should be flawless. That's what the business is about. But that's not the truth. Perfection doesn't lead you anywhere. Action do. Launch the messy website, post that video that is imperfect. Trust me, no one care about those tiny details except you. And done is always better than perfect. And the last but not the least, this could be the hardest. Stop forgetting about your why. It's so easy to get caught up in the grind, goals, and the hustle. But if you have lost the sight of why you started, none of this will feel worth it. And you will lose the excitement for your things. Your why is what keeps you grounded. Never let go of it. These were the 8 things I wish someone had told me when I first started my business. And I hope they have helped me the way they helped me. So tell me, what is the thing you should stop doing in your business from this day? Let's talk about this in the comments. And if this video gave you even one light bulb moment, please share it with someone that is really needed it. Just learning and growing together.